incredible sport. In fact, it's so addictive that whenever I travel, I find a place or a community to play with. Whether it's Barcelona or it could be Madrid, wherever I travel, I get to play poker. I'm so happy that this sport's coming to India, and with guys like them who've already been a part of sport, guys like them who obviously look super sporty. But this is a mental game, so it's not about whether you look amazing like Shilpa. It's all about the head, and I'm very proud to be a part of it, Shantanu.
Yeah, Shilpa will just unveil it. But as you know, it has the color of India, and blue has always been the color of India, and we've just played it a little differently. You'll see all the nuances of skill in it, and I'm so happy that Raj has introduced and brought this concept of the India Poker League to India, and we're very excited.
Hi Raj.
Hi.
Am I audible?
Is your mic working? You see the mic's not.
Hi Raj. Am I audible now?
Hi.
See, you wanted to get it televised also. Yeah, so how, obviously it is a mental game, how you make it television friendly?
Yeah, so we've closed a broadcast deal with MTV. The logo's up here somewhere. Thanks for reminding me. So MTV is our broadcast partner. They'll be airing the show a week after. The 14th and 15th of October is the two-day event, and exactly a week later it'll be aired on TV. They'll start publicity on the 1st of October, and poker is the new young game, the youth sport, so we thought MTV would be the right partner for us.
Can I also add that because we're now very much technology driven, this is not like the World Series of Poker where people do not know or have a record of all hands. Because everything is on the mobile device, we're linked with artificial intelligence through the Alberta University to where we have the leading computer poker program computer that can actually rank every single hand depending on how it's played, and also because people will be playing the same hands in the same sequence. From a television point of view, we have some very unique and different ways to present match poker to make it much more exciting in a live environment, much more than you've seen previously.
Hi Raj, I'm Sampalda from Gutshot magazine. We recently did an interview with you. Peter took the interview. And my question is, the players, how they are classified? Are they Indians or international? Or we have some wildcard entries, just like we had in Indian Poker League recently?
Yeah, so in Match IPL, like I said, there's an app that gets downloaded. So for all the team owners that want to take their players, so a lot of the poker owners already have a lot of poker players that play poker. They download the app, they register with the IFP, and accordingly we'll decide with the team owners, depending on the skill set and how well they've played on the app, if they deserve to be in the team. The first 2 years we're giving a little bit of flexibility, because a lot of the team owners have selected certain players that they believe would be good for their team. But I believe there is so much hidden talent in India that this app will bring out this talent. And year 3, we'll start introducing players to the teams and helping them make their teams better so that they can win. It's purely Indian Poker League for Indians only. The winning team will represent Team India, so we can't have foreigners in that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And if I can just add to that, is that a player can only be registered for one country. So a player will obviously have to select the country that it's going to be represented by for the whole of his career within match poker.
Raj sir, hi. My question is to you. First of all, a hearty congratulations. Like, you started a new venture and now we are looking forward to it, and I've played this game throughout. So how are like things going to be? Like, can a newcomer try out his hand and then get to become like a successful player in it? Or is it like a person who's like played this game throughout the years getting into it?
Good afternoon. Great question. So we start, obviously, we're promoting amateur poker right from the grassroots levels. We have Indian Federation. Varun is in charge of the Indian Federation. We have lots of organizations across the country that are going to promote the Match Poker app. So we want everyone to take part, people who understand poker at a basic level, start growing. We are going to nurture a lot of talent. There'll be a lot of offline poker events that are happening with the Federation collectively. And ultimately, I mean, it can become a sport where an individual who's good at it can get into a paid professional sport where he can make a livelihood out of poker in India. So, yeah, let's see how that goes.
It's also important that this is a skill-based game. So because everybody is playing through an app, we know how they play their hands, we know how they play against opposition, so they become ranked. So anybody that is a good player will be able to move their way up the ranking. You could be ranked in your age group, you could be ranked in your location, you could be ranked in your employment. As I said earlier, it's all about communities, it's about friendship, it's about relationship. But in this occasion, you are going to be ranked by your skill. So young players that are skillful will come through, just as other more experienced players who think they're skillful may seem to realize that they're not quite as skillful as they think they are.
I have another question. This is your new venture, but you recently resigned as the CEO of your offline shopping deal. So now there have been rumors about the employees still being underpaid, and they're like, yeah, they have like not received. So what do you have to say about that?
Underpaid. I think I overpay and underwork, but it's not relevant to match poker. Let's stick to match IPL today. Okay. Thanks.
Hi Raj, this is Ravi from ABP News.
Hi.
आपने जब इंडिया में बिजनेस शुरू किया तो फिल्मों में भी आपने डैबल किया था, फिल्में भी, तो क्या इस फ्रंट पे कुछ हो रहा है कि आप फिल्में और प्रोड्यूस करेंगे आगे फ्यूचर में?
I'm trying to keep it match poker relevant. कुछ poker movie में आते हैं चलो. There's lots of card movies that have come out, 21 and whatnot. करेंगे. It's entertainment's in our blood. We love it. We live in Bombay and Bollywood, and I'm sure we'll look at doing some projects in the future.
Thank you.
Good evening, Raj, and good evening, Mr. Patrick. Raj, is it too difficult for you to... Is it very difficult for you to keep yourself away from IPL?
Not at all. I think Indian Poker League needed me. It's a sport that I enjoy. And the right set of people is what makes the league really successful. It's a team job. Everyone from, like I said, the legal, the team owners that we've selected, and obviously, undoubtedly, without Patrick, this wouldn't have been possible. So the right team of people have come together, and I think we're going to give India its first ever poker league, and obviously put India in the world map. There are 62 countries already part of it, and India, we have over 1.5 million poker players. So it's about time that India got onto the poker map, and let's see what we can do.
राज पर ऐसा नहीं ना लोग पैरेलल ड्रॉ करने देंगे